Little chilly morning here in Ohio. We've got a pretty busy day. We got 3 pickups and dumps and 1 return, and then I got to load a welder up into one of the dumpsters and take it and deliver it to somebody that bought it. But we'll bring you along. All right, just got done checking the tires and everything on the trailer, doing a pre-trip, and now we're on our way. Hey guys, first dump of the day is done. Man, they had it stacked over the top. I don't know. It says don't fill over line, but I don't think, sometimes people don't listen. That was the first one for the weekend special that I did. It went well. Now we're gonna go home, drop this, get ready to pick up another one. I'll let you know how it's going.
What happened to forever? Now we're not together. I know it's time, you probably need a break to see if you were done whatever, ride and die together. But baby, know that I'm good either way. What happened to forever? Now we're not together. I know it's time, you probably need a break to see if you were done whatever, ride and die together. But baby, know that I'm
Well, I got the welder all loaded up. We're going to drop that off because it's on the way to a switch out that we have to do. So come on along. hope everybody can hear me. Just did my second time to the dump today. Now I gotta drive a little bit and pick up something in Lordstown from a farmer back out in his field. I didn't record me dropping that welder off for the person that bought it because they're Amish. Just out of respect, I won't record them. But that's who I sold that welder to. So that's about what's going on. It's 1 o'clock already. Time flies. But we'll see what else we get into. Now we're back home. I pressure washed the dumpster, so it's ready to go. I got it loaded up. I go back to my main job tomorrow, and then I'm gonna deliver this after a 12-hour day at the mill. So that's a day in the life of me today. All right, everybody, have a great day. Be awesome and make good choices.